Hi there, everybody. Just a quick reminder to make sure to stick around for the end of the video to get info on a giveaway for 750 subscribers for the channel. So.
That's a walleye. And she swallowed it. That is a monster.
Hi there, everybody. Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa here. As you can see, today it snowed. Pretty awful. I'm down here at Scott Street. Pretty crazy weather the last couple days. We actually had like 60-degree weather one day, then we had tornado the next that hit through Des Moines pretty bad actually, and then the next day we had snow, 2 to 5 inches. But river came up quite a bit. Looks like it's still pretty muddy, but I'm gonna give it a try, see if I can catch some walleye. That's what I'm targeting today. I'm gonna be slow dragging some jigs on bottom, see if we get anything. If not, at least we tried. So how about you guys join me and hopefully we get into a couple. See you out there. Whew. If I was smart, I would have packed my bibs. I think those are going to be going in my truck for a couple weeks now. This is cold. First fish, nice walleye. Hopefully you guys can see that. He hit it pretty hard too, surprisingly. Nice. Looks like on the top jig on the twisters again. Lately these chartreuse 3-inch twisters have been doing work. Oh man, yeah. All right, let's get them up here. Stay on, buddy, stay on. Coming up. All right. Woo. First walleye of the day. He's long. Woo. That's a long walleye. Sweet. All right, you guys, snowstorm and all. I came down here where the water's a little bit more clear. It's still up high, but I came where it's more clear and less muddy, and a few casts, and finally got me a walleye already. So I'll keep trying, see if I can get a few more. I'm not ready to go home just yet. I was pretty tired, but figure I'd go fishing for a little bit before I go home, get some sleep after work. And he hit it hard. That was awesome. I love it when they hit like that. Well, I'm back in the truck. That's it for me today, at least right now. I didn't bring any cold weather gear, so my feet are getting cold, and that was the only good bite I had. Everything else I felt was probably just bumping fish. Still a little early in the season yet. I've been out a couple times already. Caught a couple walleye so far. Nothing too exciting about. But here in the next couple of weeks should be really, really good. A lot of the females will start moving upriver. More males will be coming up, and those males will be a lot more aggressive. Should be able to get a lot of 1 to 3 pound males, and who knows with the females, might be some nice ones coming up this year. With the storm came, water's really going to help with the river and some fish moving around. That's nice. Probably give another couple days and it should be really, really good fishing. By the time I drop this video, I'm sure we're going to be right in the middle of walleye season. So hopefully you guys are out there and you're getting some. And I'm going to try a few more times here in the next couple days since I'm off and see what I can get. So good luck to you guys out there. Stay warm, stay safe. I hope you guys made it through that tornado all right. There's a lot of local people that got hit pretty hard. It was pretty sad to see that. I think there's 6 fatalities in this tornado too. As always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Every bit helps. I appreciate all the support I got, and the channel keeps on growing along strong. I expect to hit 1,000 subscribers hopefully this year, so should be doable. But I'm gonna get home, get some sleep. I'll catch you guys later. All right, you guys, so I'll be doing a giveaway for hitting 750 subscribers, which at the time this video is published, I should be over 750, which is awesome. I appreciate it. Every single one of you guys that support the channel, I love it. So also I should be hitting 100 videos here. I think it might actually be with this video that we're watching now. So that's pretty awesome. But let's see what I want to do for a giveaway this go around. I would like to give away a Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa shirt. So whoever wins this giveaway, I want to take and have them get on my Teespring website, and they can pick a color, design, and size. Let me know, and I'll have it ordered. It's usually about a 2-week turnaround period, plus whatever it'd take for me to ship it to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy a chance at a Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa t-shirt. And also, if you guys don't get a chance to win one and you'd really like one, check out the website. I have it on my Facebook. I have it in the description below the video. It's a good way to support the channel as well. So if you guys want, you can get in on that. Quite a few neat designs, and I can also take requests and make some too. It's nothing to make a t-shirt. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate all the support you guys give for the channel. And I can't wait to see what this channel grows to. So just a big thanks to all of you. How to get entered into this giveaway is hashtag walleye. All lowercase, no spaces, just hashtag walleye. So let's see how this goes. I hope to see quite a few of you entering in on the giveaway.